The solar system. The solar system is a big group of planets that move around the sun. The sun is a hot and bright star in the center of the system. There are 8 main planets that go around the sun in a path called an orbit. Some planets are small like Mercury, and others are big like Jupiter. Each planet is different in size, color, and distance from the sun. The planets never crash because they follow their own paths in space. The first 4 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are called the inner planets because they are closest to the sun. They are made of rock and have solid surfaces you can stand on. Earth is special because it has water, plants, animals, and people. Mars is called the red planet because of its red color from iron in the soil. Scientists think there may have been life on Mars a long time ago. The next 4 planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the outer planets and are made mostly of gas. Jupiter is the biggest planet and has many moons that go around it. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rocks. Uranus and Neptune are blue planets that are very far from the sun. It takes them many years to go all the way around the sun one time. There are also other things in the solar system besides planets. There are moons, asteroids, comets, and small dwarf planets like Pluto. Some comets have long, bright tails when they come close to the sun. Asteroids are big space rocks that move between Mars and Jupiter. The solar system is full of mystery and beauty, and scientists continue to learn more every day. Looking at the sky can help us understand how big and amazing space really is.